I start the video. This is training room, right?
Yes.
Wow, nice place. Tara to loy laisi.
All meeting rooms. This side at the moment we usually use for the corporate side. So we don't have meetings here, but it's too small. So we will take the next floor also. We are now building it 21 floor. We also take. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? Good. Just showing quickly. So you also want it's empty. This is my favorite meeting room. But here usually we don't have meetings. We have the meetings with the network on our side. Here we have got the corporate meeting. Because we want to split it a little bit.
They just make it easier.
Yeah, of course.
This is a big readiness for the marketing.
Look, 2,000 square meters.
Next month উপরটা শুনেছি এটা কম হয়ে যাচ্ছে তাদের জন্য।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
এটা হচ্ছে ম্যানেজমেন্ট পার্ট এখানে।
How are you?
তবে এখান থেকে
Good. Nice to see you. Oh yeah, just showing you the office. This is our camera team. They are making the powerful videos.
Oh.
On YouTube.
Nice. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Masood.
Nice to meet you. Andrei.
Nice to meet you.
Here are our vending machines in the second. Here's the second classroom. These are the vending machines.
ব্র্যান্ডিং মেশিন আছে এখানে PLC দিয়ে কেনাকাটা করা যায় ডিসপ্লে দিয়ে কেনাকাটা করা যায় রাইট PLC also use here right
And you know what? Have you seen the Binance blockchain conference? You know which standard there, which vending machine standard there on the Binance blockchain?
PLC দিয়ে এখানে ফানি জুস ট্রেন সব কিছু নিয়ে আসে বিটকয়েন দিয়ে নেওয়া যায় বিটকয়েন ইথারিয়াম এন্ড PLC রাইট তিনটে কারেন্সি আউট অফ সার্ভিস
Yeah.
Hey,
You can choose whatever you
just
want.
choose
Let's say Fanta.
Fanta. Yes.
Then pay with crypto.
Ito. Okay.
Oh.
PLC, BGC. Wow! Spooky Shiba.
Feels you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Spooky Shiba.
Shiba.
And now
PLC.
0.0005.
Yes, please.
I don't have my phone with me. I left it.
Maybe it will.
But now have you got PLC on your wallet?
No, I don't have a PLC. But I have a wallet.
Yeah, but you don't have PLC on the wallet?
No.
Okay, we come back later. I show you. But wait, I forgot my phone. I never forget my phone.
Okay.
What do you see? 0.005. You scan, pay, done. Have you got bitcoins?
Yes.
Okay, look.
I have a Bitcoin. Yes, I have.
So, Bitcoin, same. Bitcoin 0.0067. You see?
Yes.
It's expensive, huh? Expensive?
Right.
Yeah, because we are higher priced. We are higher priced than Bitcoin.
Yeah.
We are $58,000. Yeah, you can scan, but you don't need to do it. I do it later. I show you. You scan, pay. Same with Ethereum. No problem, but Ethereum much network fee.
So I have a Bitcoin. May I show help?
Okay, wait, Bitcoin. You want to pay with Bitcoin?
এই কত ডলার আছে দেখেন শুধু দরকার নেই
না ডলার না
How much it equals?
$3.
$3?
You just
দেখেন
scan.
এটা বের করুন
ও $3 না
$3
তাই সমস্যা নেই
You have to scan. But Binance wallet, it takes too long.
Too long?
Yeah.
Okay, no need. Maybe you show me the PLC.
I show you the
PLC is
PLC
better.
later. But you see,
PLC is better. Yes.
how much do you like that?
$700,000
$700,000.
Just a minute.
Big congratulations.
Last month income. Oh, congratulations.
Very good guy. Yes. Lima also? Two guys.
I think today.
Just started 1 month ago.